Okay, I've started recording. Alright. Can all of you now turn to page 50. Now, I didn't tell you right, example 9. I only done it with you that the calculator already understood what mass, right? Like which one to do first. You just need to key in from what? Left to right. And for curly bracket, square bracket, and curve bracket, the calculator all use one type of bracket. How many times you open means how many times you close it. Are you all clear with what I'm saying? Okay? Alright, now next. I'm going on to one more thing. Can you turn back to page 49? 49. Okay? Example 7. Alright? Now, okay? They say that the factors of 4 are actually negative 1, 1, negative 2, 2, 4, and negative 4. Why is that so? Because now we learn negative numbers, right? Do you agree 4 is 1 times 4, 2 times 2? It can also be what? Negative 1 times what? Negative 4, what else? Negative 2 times negative 2, right? Correct. Negative and negative give me positive, right? So the factors are 1, negative 1, you see? 2, negative 2, 4 and negative 4. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Okay, now, for 1 and negative 1, there's a short form in mathematics that we can use them. It's called plus minus 1. Okay, short form plus minus 1. That means it includes positive 1 and negative 1. What's the meaning of this? Positive 5 and negative 5. Okay, it's not 2, or in Chinese, it's not 2 or 4, whatever, no. It's called plus minus, it's a combination. Are you all clear? Okay, alright. Now, next, can we look at work example 7? Find the positive and negative factors of 6. Now, I'm going to do this. For 6, right? It's like that, right? Now, because with no negative numbers, it can also be a real. So, what are the factors of 6? It's plus minus 1, right? Plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and plus minus 6. Are we clear? So, that's what we are talking about over there. And let me just remind you, in maths, when we write bracket, what does it mean? 11 times 6. I don't need to write the times. Bracket means times. Understand now? Nothing in the middle means times. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? So, are we okay with the book example 7? Yes, huh? Okay, now then, I need to tell you about something. Okay? I need to tell you about something that is important, and this is an extension. Okay? An extension. I want everyone to look at the board, not at the textbook and not at the people that is speaking outside. Okay, all of you look up. When I say like that, square root 25. This is the height. Okay, but if I say, what are the square roots of 25? It is 5 and negative 5. Why? Some people ask me why, right? Okay, all of you look. Go copy and do. Do you agree 5 times 5 is 25? What about negative 5 times negative 5? It's positive 25. Can you see it? That's why when we talk about square roots of 25, is 5 and negative 5. Understand? Can you see that? Okay? So, what are the square roots of 49? Can you tell me? 7 and 1. Negative 7. But, if I write like that, it's just 7. It is already a positive. Understand? Now, what if I write like that? Then this is a negative 7. Are you clear? Are you clear? When we write like that, it's confirmed positive. You don't go and tell me got 2. only 7. But whenever I get it's a negative 7. But if I spell out, they have 2. Understand now? Okay, then it boils down to another question. Okay? Can we find square root of negative 25? Now the negative is not outside, it's inside. Can we find square root of a negative number? Okay, all of you here are calculator. Negative, square root of negative 25. You will say error, right? Correct, fine. Now, don't forget, okay? When I say 25 negative outside, the answer is negative 5, right? But when I say negative 25, I must have 2 numbers multiplied and give me negative 5. There will not be 2 same number, you know. One must be positive and one must be negative. That's why the square root of a negative number don't exist. That's why it's an error. So when you take square root of a negative number, let's say 36, also don't have answer. Understand that? But if the negative is outside, then there's an answer. Everybody clear? Everybody clear now? You cannot take square root of a negative number because it does not exist. Because for this to be negative 25, right, it must be square root. Like that, right? Can you see I cannot? These two are not the same. One is positive, one is negative. It's not the same. They must be both the same. Then I can take the square root. Are you all clear now? Okay, alright, good. Now, then we move on to one more thing. Okay, so what's the important thing here? Number 1. We cannot take square root of a negative number. Agree? We cannot take square root of a negative number. Now, then, can you key in this for me? Cube root negative 125. Is there an answer? The answer is negative 5, right? Why is it that we can take cube root of a negative number? Because do you agree negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 means negative 125? I just take out one number. Cube root is 3 taken at one time, right? That's why it exists, and there's only one cube root. Cube root of negative 125 is negative 5. What about cube root of 125? 5. Can you see it's a totally different thing? Yes or no, class? Can or not? Then what is point number 2 that I want to tell you? We can take cube root of a negative or positive number. Are we right? Am I right to say that? Okay, can you Can I find this? What is it? 3. Very good. Can I find this? What is it? Negative 3. So this is actually what I've done here. Are we clear? From just now to now, actually what I've said is all over there. Are we okay so far? Are we okay so far? Can I repeat that? Square root already positive, so it's like that. Negative outside we still can. Okay? Square root means both. But if negative inside, you cannot. For square root. But for cube root, can or not? Can. And there's only one answer. Understand? And then what is the meaning of this? Plus or minus 5. Understand? A short form. Okay, now let's say, I want to do this. I want to write my text separately. Can. Okay, not an issue. But the thing is that when people write the text, you must know what is it. Understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, good. Yes. Okay. That means here, what the reader says is, can I write like this? The answer is yes. Okay? But this one cannot, because it's only 4. Okay? Are we clear so far? Are we clear so far? Okay, good. Now, next, I want you to look at a few questions for me. What is this answer? Use your calculator. What's the meaning of this? Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. What's the answer? Negative 64. If you keep calculator straight, you should really get it. But you must key in the bracket. Okay? What about this? This is a 16, right? No negative, right? Correct now. You must key in the bracket. Because negative 4 times negative 4 is a positive 16. So you must know all this. Okay? One more question. What will this be? Okay, let's look it up slowly. All of us. All of you don't use a calculator. This is negative, right? Still negative, right? 64 inside, right? So what's the final answer? Positive 65. Can you see? So you must know where the bracket is, where the power is. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Then it will save you the trouble. Everybody okay with what I'm saying here? Everybody okay with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, great. Now, then I want to know, does this exist? Does this exist? No. What about this? What is it? Negative 10, right? Can you see what I'm talking about here? Okay, I'll summarize all this for you. I'm just testing you. Are you okay so far? Are you okay so far? Okay, good. Next, right? Can you pick out your content page? Can I know what number is it that I have to write now? Now I write 6, is it? Now I write what? 5. Okay. I write number 5 now. Is this correct? Yes, okay. Can you write down number 5? Okay, stay. Just write down exercise 2B, 2C together, plus, minus, times, divide, that's all. Then is question 14. One fault. Let's take a look at 14. Okay. Now, a city is located at a height of 138 meters above sea level. Okay, now, that means I have something called sea level, right? Look to draw, I just want to explain to you. The city is located at a height of 138 meters above sea level. This is the city, right? Okay, then a town is at a height of 51 meters below sea level. Do you agree that if I let this be 0, right, above will be positive, right? What about below? It will be negative, right? Correct. Now, if I use a horizontal line, this side will be positive, this side will be negative. Okay, now the question says, represent the altitude is height of the town using a negative number. Okay, and you write down here, altitude of town will be negative 51 meters. Am I right? Correct. Okay, then the question says, hence, find the difference in altitude between the city and the town. Remember the time I told you to find the difference of the altitude. You must take the bigger one minus the smaller one. Which one is the bigger one? 138 minus 51, right? Correct. Now, of course, you say you use your calculator. 138 plus 51, correct? So, what's the answer? 189 meters, right? Now, in exam, what am I looking for? I must see this step. This is called essential working. This one, I don't need to see because you can use your calculator straight away get the answer. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Huh? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Okay, you understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Yes, okay, so this is the two parts here. Okay, then I want to do one more question on the full step paper. Okay, in fact, two more questions on the full step paper. Okay, this is exercise 2B, right? Now, after you do these two, can you draw a line across and write exercise 2C? And write exercise 2C. Zero, right? Now, I want to ask you a question. All of you look up. This is important. If I don't like this, is it okay? It's still okay now. Because the answer is zero now. Unless they say don't answer minus 2. Then you got to write. Do you understand? So, this one will give this big one minus 5, right? Correct. Okay, so what's the answer? 31. You will get a 46 marks. Are we clear here? Are we clear here? Okay. Now, you have to do this for me by Wednesday. Okay? I need you, some people only follow what I'm talking about, right? Continue in full step, question 17. Can just one question. I want to see if you know how to present. Now, if you don't know how to present, don't need to cry now. Okay, I will tell you on Wednesday, okay? Then, in your notebook, can you find these 3 questions for me? That means this is the first set, question 17, and this is the second set. Now, for this one, we just need to check answer with the back of what? Textbook. Understand? I just want to ensure that you understood what I've said to you. Okay, now I repeat what I'm saying. Okay, listen up. On your full step paper, you are to continue question 1, 17. What about these 3 questions? Just try in the notebook. Okay? And after that, check the answer with the back of the textbook. I'm going to go through the next lesson. Are we clear? And then next lesson, I will try and finish up the whole chapter. Okay?